Okay, so hi guys, I have my tripod now, but it's broken after we unboxed it like for half an hour. So it's kind of tough right now because I haven't exactly figured out how it works. But from next video, I'll try to figure it out and do it. But for now, I'm kind of kneeling down like in this bed section and trying to record it somehow. So this is video for DIY face pack. If you have black marks like around your mouth or dark circles here, or any dark areas, more pigmented areas in your face, this is helpful. You can use it alternate days, or you can just use it twice a week or even once a week. Now you know that I'm so lazy, I use it like once a month, and that is good enough for me. But if you are really dedicated, not lazy, not like me, and want to do it more, you can do it. So I have three. Okay, I'll try to get up and show you. Okay, I have some basin, and that is senagapindi. I have half a lemon, and I have some curd. So I'll put it in the back camera and show you how to mix that. Okay, so as you can see, I have half a lemon, curd and basin. So what I'm going to do is, we need lemon and curd both, but we don't want to make the paste so watery. We need that in a batter consistent so that we can apply. So I'm going to squeeze a total half a lemon and mix that well. Then add curd according to how we need it, like how much we need that. And guys, don't throw away this peel, we need that, so keep it aside. It's kind of watery, as you can see. Now we have the lemon, but we don't have it so much that it's liquid in nature, so we are taking curd according to that. Don't add all at once, or else you are gonna make it so much watery liquid consistency. See, it's kind of thick right now, so I'm adding more curd to it. Just keep adding curd, don't add water, or just add more lemon if you are out of curd. You can add vitamin E capsule in this also, it's really good for your face, but I don't have them currently, so make sure you don't have lumps as much as possible, because they are not good while you apply them. So yeah, this should be the consistency. Now I'll show you guys while applying. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to apply. So before that, make sure your hair is all tied up. So I do it very once a month hardly, or once in every 2 months. So I have to be very careful and particular while applying. But if you are someone who applies it twice or thrice a month, you don't have to be this careful, because one or the other time you might apply it in a very good way. But I don't do that very often, so I must be very careful. Don't forget your neck. And I can't talk after applying the pack, so I'm telling you now, we have to wait 20 minutes after applying the pack. Let it dry, and then I'll show you how to wash it off. Let's get started. I might look weird, I know, I'm scared of that. I might look like a clown on camera, but it is what it is. And don't mind my zoom in. I can't see if I don't have my specs on, so I have to come close to the camera to actually know how I'm looking. This is the struggle of people who wear specs, you guys. Don't make fun of us. We can't really see anything without specs, especially me. I can hardly see without specs nowadays, that I haven't gone to checkup in last 2 years. Yeah, so don't forget the neck part. Also, I have to show you this thing now only, because this tripod thing is really difficult. I have to tighten it, lose it, and put the phone and adjust the camera. It always go to the switch button, and my mobile gets switched off easily. Okay, I'm looking like a clown on camera. Very good job. Also, I applied to this what do I call it, sorry guys, I don't know, So yeah, this area and this, like this dark spots, wherever you have, you can apply that. So this, why I have told you not to do this, we will reverse it this way, and after it all gets dried out, you are just going to scrub it with this, so that it comes off really well, and this lemon gets absorbed really good. So you have to wait for 20 minutes, and then we will wash it off with normal water, not soap, nothing. And then I'll see you guys. Now I have to search for pause button because I can't really see anything. Well, hello. So this is me after washing my face. So I'm somehow trying to control the tripod. I haven't used any powder or compact, anything like that. But I'm just going to use some kajal and some lip balm just to pop out eyes and lips, so that you can actually see if this worked or not. But if you want to use a face pack and you don't have any store bought like Garnier face pack or anything like that, and you want to do something instant face pack kind of thing, then this one I would say, because it will give you instant result, like in one go you can see the difference, and it feels kind of refreshing, to be honest. And there you go, done. So this is my go-to look whenever I have to attend a wedding or like a birthday party, or before the day of my birthday, or any special event. I do this. It really gives kind of clean and clear skin. It doesn't leave you with any greasiness or oily in your face, and you can actually see more blackness around this area, because it really cleared out everything that it's showing. This is a pigmented area, guys. So now that I'm cutting the video here, and I'll link everything in the description box, including ingredients and the reasons why you should follow it according to Ayurveda, according to science, and if this is tested and tested or not, proven or not scientifically, and why you have to use this, and are there any results or not. I'll mention everything in the description box, and I'll see you guys later. And this is my go-to look. I'll see you in the next video.